YIC Yoga Instructors Course. Why Yoga? Part 3. Topic: Yoga and Executive Tension. Yoga is a conscious process helping us to raise our level of mental and emotional serenity, without which harmony in thought and action is unobtainable. In the modern competitive world of industry, trade, finance, banking, management, and information, business, and executive life have become a never ending race against time, technology, and targets. This rat race creates tension that leads to dissatisfaction and frustration. Eventually, it manifests itself as psychological and physiological stress with mental and emotional drain. Every passing day intensifies the stress, leading to executive tension and consequently deterioration in executive efficiency and a steep rise in the incidence of psychosomatic elements. Management development programs, with their ancient and result orientation, act almost as baits for the unsuspecting executives. While they impart knowledge on the techniques to improve executive skills and efficiency, they have no concrete answer to overcome the problems of executive tension. Adapting the principles of self management of executive tension, SMET, self management of executive tension. Then IRT, instant relaxation technique. Then QRT, quick relaxation technique. And DRT, deep relaxation technique, into the infrastructure of our life, will accelerate our growth, helping us to reach normally faster and go on to reach greater heights. The SMET program has been used to relieve tension among executives with hypertension. SMET, self management of executive tension. SMET reaches studies conducted in Svyasa have shown that the practice of cyclic meditation, CM, cyclic meditation, improved the performance in memory, scored, and decreased state anxiety. The cyclic meditation program has also been shown to decrease occupational stress levels and baseline autonomic arousal. Moreover, cyclic meditation improved performance in psychomotor tasks, which requires selective attention, concentration, visual scanning abilities, and a repetitive motor response. The practice of cyclic meditation during the daytime has been shown to increase the percentage of slow wave sleep in the subsequent night. However, these findings support the idea that meditation is a training in awareness which, when practiced over long periods, produces definite changes in per- perception, attention, cognition, and in psychophysiological measures. The above findings suggest that the cyclic meditation practice reduces autonomic arousal, improves attention, improves the quality of sleep. Yoga, way of life and society. Yoga not only provides techniques for the growth of man from his animal level to heights of perfection, it carves out a way of life for him. Yoga way of life is characterized by peace and tranquility, harmony and health, love and happiness, precision, and efficiency. The drive for such a way of happy life is not an indiscriminate instinctive drive on an man animal to man. The drive is featured by discrimination, right understanding of happiness and harmony, and adoption of a suitable value system congenial to the accomplishment of increasing happiness. The drive and the norms are prescribed by the yoga way of life. The social philosophies in action today have started showing up their innovative is solving the problems of man. The basic drives used in a construct of the social dynamics are either too crude, akin to the animal instincts, fear, or based on ignorance about the science of happiness. Yoga way of life offers a newer understanding of social dynamics for the construct of an ideal society. Not only does the yoga way of life provides a framework for the intelligent management of forces within the inner micro world, but it also provides the right basis for the macro transactions in the society. Apart from providing a philosophical base to the social dynamics, a wholesome approach based on the comprehensive wisdom of Sanatana Dharma is provided for the society. Sanatana Dharma. And that is the yoga way of life. Thus, yoga way of life answers the quest of man. Hence, yoga is now once again coming to the fore of prove its vital role to human growth and well-being, to social harmony and peace, which alone can make an ideal society. We are in a transition to move from an era of science and technology to an era of yoga and spirituality. We are in a transition to move from an era of science and technology to an era of yoga and spirituality. Yoga is not exercise. Yoga, it is a way of life.